Roman has taken some of the ideas. He built himself the Paulk Workbench, which you can see him working on in the background here. And he has modified or made himself a minivan bicycle station that he carries. There's the old one there. And he took some of the Paulk Workbench ideas and made himself a brand new one. I'll put a link to this video in the description down below so you can go check it out and give him a thumbs up. It's really kind of interesting to see what he's done here, how he's taken some of these ideas and used them in a totally different way. Hi, I'm Ron Paulk, designer of the Smart Wood Shop, the Total Station, the Paulk Workbench, as well as a few other things, including this stand-up desk. If you're interested in getting yourself a set of plans and going in your own direction the way Roman has done, then you can click on the link right here at the end of this video or in the description down below anytime. In my channel, I show how to do things with woodworking and construction, but mostly, my bench and my Smart Wood Shop, they're kind of products of really what my channel is all about. And it's about organization. It's about being nimble. It's about being quick. It's about being efficient. It's about being organized. It's about being lean. And so everything I do, that's what it's about. When you are working in any field, my specialty obviously here is construction, building homes, remodeling. If you're efficient, you're going to make more money, but money is just kind of a byproduct, and you don't need to think about the money. What is cool is that you are not focusing on how much you're making or even really on doing the job well. It's all a byproduct of being organized. If you are comfortable, if you have what you need, if your tools are clean and in good condition and easy to get to, you're gonna pull out the right tool for the job. You're not gonna spend your time digging through the back of a piled up van or piled up pickup truck trying to get out the right tool or the right bolt or whatever. It's all organized. You can see it, and so you feel better. You're less fatigued at the end of the day and throughout the day. Your tools are at the right height. They're easily accessible. So just remember that all of the stuff that I teach, and this includes the tools that I look at, I get a lot of companies that contact me that want me to show their tool off of my channel, and I decline 99% of them. The only ones, I've done lots of tool reviews. Basically, here's me using the tool, or hey, look at this tool. I've, new tool that I'm checking out. They're tools that I'm interested in that I think are going to make my life, working life, more comfortable, more efficient. Sometimes I try out brand new tools that it's more conceptual, that I'm visualizing how I'm going to use it because it has struck me in a certain way. And sometimes they don't work out that way, but most of the time they do, because I am able to visualize how things are going to work. But again, it's not really about the Smart Wood Shop or the Workbench or this certain tools. It is that concept of being efficient, having the right tool for the job, having the right materials for the job, and not spending your time running to the lumber store, having to go buy a new drill bit, a new saw blade, or the right screws, or the sheet of plywood. You've planned all of that because you're organized and you've gotten it on the job. And again, the byproducts are that you are more comfortable, you're more relaxed, you're not rushing around. Your production is because you're efficient, not because you're moving fast. You're safer. You're not jamming things through the saw and not paying attention. You can pay attention to the work you're doing. You can enjoy it. You can focus on the process. And so again, byproducts, you get better quality work because you feel better. You're not rushed because your speed comes from efficiency, your ability to get the job done when you say it's going to get done, and plan it because you have the material, you've got the tools. The tools are positioned properly so they're easy to use, and you get the job done efficiently. The quality is there, And again, the byproduct of making money, that just comes. When you show up organized with your trailer or your van, people see that and they appreciate that because it is rare. So everybody wants me to talk about the business of construction, but you know, the truth is it doesn't matter what the business is. The number one rule is to be positive, to be a nice person, to have a smile on your face, to be presentable, and to be proactive in when you talk to people, when they ask about things. Don't be the grumbly guy, oh, that's hard work, or oh, this is this guy before me did terrible work and now I got to fix it. 90 people hear so much of that and they get tired of that. Be the positive one. Say, we can do this. And then focus on how you can do it and be very positive. That's number one. Number two, and they're tied together because it's hard to be one without the other, and that is to be lean, to be efficient, to be organized, to just plan things out, and you will find that everything else falls in line. So listen, I just love seeing what all of you are doing with some of my ideas out there, and I'm going to start snooping around. I've done a little bit of this sharing in the past, but I'm going to look for more. So if you come across what somebody else is doing with one of my ideas, and even if it's not one of my ideas, if it's just a lean, efficient idea, let me know. Share it in a comment or shoot me an email, and I'll go on and share it so that the rest of my viewers can follow along. If you like these videos on finding other people's videos, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Most important, share the channel with others. Thanks for taking the time to watch. Have a great day.